we doing today? Chicken butts and rooster nuts. Listen, let me tell y'all something. I had zero plans on making a video today. Okay, none. I told y'all in live last night. I'm gonna see y'all probably Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, somewhere down there, right? Now, it's probably like 1:30, 2 o'clock right now. Maybe 12:30. Hell, I don't know. And I literally just got up. Took me a nice long bath. Got out. I just got on some leggings and a tank top. I have no intentions on leaving this house. So I go in the bathroom. No. Jewelry boxes. All that's open. Just messy, okay? Where I'm going, I don't know. So I go in the bathroom because I'm like, oh, I got these cute studs. Where they at? Let me see if I can show you one. I got these studs, right? I showed them to you before, but it's been like forever. And y'all know I am not a stud girl. Where did it go? Okay. I'm not a stud girl, right? So I go in the bathroom, and I'm like, you know what? Let me see. Right here. Ain't focus. Focus. Look at that. That's so pretty. So pretty, right? So I'm going to put these on. But ain't no back on them. So I'm like, God, dog, I don't have no back. But I walk in there and I'm looking in the mirror. I told y'all a long time ago, I said, I am the auntie that's going to come to the cookout with all her jewelry on. Okay? It be it all gold, all silver, a mismatch. I'm her. And what's crazy is I used to clown my aunts, my mama, her sisters. Like, where are they going with their whole jewelry box on their person? Where they going? Where is you going with all that noise, the ensemble, the sounds of jewelry clanking together and rings and... Y'all, I'm her. I ain't even got nowhere to go, okay? I ain't got nowhere to go, and if I do, it's gonna be hella late or later. I got my necklace. I don't put my hoops on because I can't find no backs. I got on all my silver today. I got on ankle, girl. Just a lot is happening. I am that auntie, okay? I'm even. Oh, girl, I found another silver necklace. I might add. Oh, another bracelet. Oh my God, I'm finding so many things. That's broke. Can I fix this? Now you know I need to have this on. That's broke. Oh, you know I need this on, sis. Okay, well I found this bracelet. So I found a charm. Let me see. I got any more bulky stuff to add on. I'm gonna be like, lady, please, lady. I'm telling y'all, somebody needs to come. Come take the camera, take my, oh, now what is this? Is this an ankle bracelet or what you is? I think it's a bracelet. Does it make a lot of noise? Because you know I like noise makers. I like it. I love it all, y'all. I'm her. And listen, I am your, in case you ever wondered, like, why does Auntie call us sis, but she refer to herself as auntie, right? But the two relationships don't go together. So here's the thing. So if you don't know, right, I'm an only child. So I will never experience being an aunt, number one. And I think aunts are underrated. I think aunties are like the best human beings in the damn world. It's like Auntie Mama. You know what I'm saying? She's like the mama, the aunt. She the coolest one. She cooler than your mama. You can talk to her. She gonna cut up with you. She gonna let you do some stuff your mama ain't gonna let you do. Like, the auntie is where it's at, right? I'm never gonna know what it's like to be an aunt. I ain't gonna never know what it's like to be a sister. Unless, you know, somebody come out the woodworks and be like, look, I'm your dad's kid. But that has yet to happen. So I am auntie, because I'm the coolest one. So I'm the aunt, but y'all my sis. Like, come here, sis. Come here. Even if you older than me, younger than me, you my sis. but I'm your aunt. Y'all, I've been in the bed all up until I went and took my nice spa bath. I don't know what is happening right now, but I'm receiving it, okay? Let me put all my fine jewels back for somebody to come in here and try to. And plus, my other jewelry box went ahead and collapsed into all the pieces. So she trash. I probably could DIY something with these little mirrors, but I don't want to. Anyway, it's okay. Look, I ain't got no tripod in here because I told y'all I wasn't even recording. But I want y'all to see if y'all can hear. Can you hear it? At least can you see it? Look. She got on all her stuff. I don't know where I'm about to go. I feel like I need to go ahead and go somewhere though, because who gets dressed and put on all of this to lay back in the bed? Like, that don't even make sense to me. Little girl. Busy. So busy. Oh, God. Okay, so already the hobby is growing out of control. This is a tank for my office. I'll show you how I got it decorated so far. Honey, look at all those diamonds, honey. And my ship and two little bushes. And it's actually, look at the shape. So Ron is about to siphon or stifle, however you say it.
That's an egg.
Water out of our current tank. I'm going to put it in this tank since this water is already established. And these are my fish to get my tank started, huh? Anyway, y'all, these are my, I got 7 goldfish to start my tank. But I might end up keeping these old dirty things. Look how big they are. You ready, babe? Mm-hmm. Well, he about to suck that water through that pipe. Is it long enough to reach? Or you want to come closer? Right there. I was gonna say, don't suck up none of the fish. Let me hold it.
Suck it.
Fish mouth! Fish mouth! Oh my God!
Oh God!
Sorry. Okay. This is where it will sit on my desk. So I can sit right here and enjoy. Look at all the diamonds floated all over the place. And I'm just letting the filter run before I put the little fishies in here. The diamonds is stuck on the window. So while I work, I can enjoy the little fishies. And here they are. They so big. Look at them. So how many do I have in here? 4, 7. 7. And they are humongous. All goldfish, and then even I think the black ones are goldfish too. So, you know, they're dirty fish, and they will get this tank cycled because my goal was to have it as a female beta sorority with one male. But I actually like how these goldfish look, believe it or not. But anyway, either way, they will cycle the tank pretty fast and build up a good ecosystem because they're so nasty. But like I said before, my mom has a goldfish tank and the water is always crystal clear, just like this water right here. So I may keep them, I don't know. But anyway, this is what I'm feeding them. And I've given them 2 scoops, 2 fingernail scoops, to go in here. More Fish Chronicles via the desk, honey.